fuck? What is this place? Art place. Hi. What is this place? I've never been here.
We're an art gallery, per se. We
Okay.
only represent local artists, though. Right now we're closed. We're open to public. I mean, not public, private event.
Oh, I'm sorry.
We do venue. We do a venue space as well.
Okay.
So, yeah, every 6 to 8 weeks we change out the exhibit. You're more than welcome to take a look at this floor if you want. Upstairs is closed for the private event soon.
Got you. So I've been here for a few years. I'm a local photographer.
Mm-hmm.
So how do you can you submit stuff or?
Yeah, you sure can. We actually just did a photography exhibit over the summer. I really enjoyed it.
Awesome.
We have one more, but just try to hurry up there. So do that one first.
Okay, cool.
Yeah,
I appreciate you.
The art on the wall up there is the winner of the Critical Mass show.
Okay.
If you're interested, you can totally join.
Yeah, I'll definitely come back before I leave. Thank you. I go down to Dallas a lot and just do basic photography stuff.
You live here in Shreveport, Bossier? Oh,
yeah,
really good.
I've been here I do Milky Way stuff.
Awesome.
But yeah, is that the caliber stuff?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Well, I mean, a lot of people paint and draw and sketch, but we do have a couple. We don't have a lot of photographers. We only have like 2 that I know of. One's named Josh. And the other one's Neil Johnson. Have you ever heard of him?
No, I literally just don't talk to anyone. I just kind of.
Keep to yourself?
Yeah, but I'm starting to want to branch out and just.
Well, this is a good network for you to join. This is a good spot.
I'll go ahead and submit that. I'll get some prints ordered so they're here on time. But I appreciate the time.
No problem. Have a good night.
Thanks, you too. That was random. Anyway, back into it. Dude, I just run into random people like that all the time. It's the greatest thing. If you just talk to people and you just take your time, if I never would have walked in there, maybe not this way, that's kind of scary. If I never would have walked over here, I never would have met that person and I would have never gotten the paperwork for the art entry. Come on. Yeah, I live in this shitty ass Shreveport. This is the only street that's kind of like this. But you walk around, shit will happen. Now let's listen to some Mick Jenkins get these shots.
Yeah, you don't know that. I mean, it's not as honest.
See me to my speech. Let's go longer exposure, get more light in. think that's all we're getting from that. Let's go 140, 150. I don't like my ISO that high. Oh shit, there's a good picture. Not this one. This one. This looks dope. Let's get lower. Anyway. Any scary people? Gotta check perspectives while you can, see if it changes as you go lower. Yeah. Ooh. Just realized what this was. Or what it could be. I knew what it was. see. Is anyone here? Not a lot of matters. Uh-oh. We got some local crazies. Maybe, I don't know. Might just be no fucking people out tonight. It is Saturday. Anyway, anywho. Try to get a picture of them. Do any of you guys want a picture by the Subway sign? I'm a photographer. I walk around this city.
Yes.
You want one?
Yes, I do.
By Subway, it might match your jacket. Run! I literally just walk around and ask random people if they want to take a picture. I want to get like interesting lighting on your face. So right there.
Right here?
Stand right here. Like line up with my hand. And then stay right there.
Okay. Do I smile or no?
It's up to you.
Okay.
You. It's all right.
I'm sorry. Okay.
Watch. So, well.
How to turn out? That's
Oh
lit.
my god.
Okay, I'll take that.
You want
I'll
to do
take
another
that.
one?
Yes, if you want to do
Yeah. I don't know if you have anywhere to be.
No?
The thing is, I want to get like highlights like on the top of your hair and stuff. So maybe even like right here, because I'll get a little bit from that and that light right there.
Okay.
All right. And then turn this way. Your eyes are lighting up right there. So.
Okay.
Perfect. Do you guys, I have no way of sending them to you, but I do have an Instagram if you guys want to find them.
Yes.
It's that one.
Yes.
All right. Have a good day. It's that easy. It's that easy to just take fucking pictures. Yeah, let's keep walking. I want to drink from Rhino. Oh, go ahead. Shit, that's my bad. Dude, honestly, that's like the easiest way to just go up to random people. Don't be so nervous to talk to people. If you see, especially like if you see a group of younger people acting goofy, like they were all taking a picture by the little mannequin. Like if they're already having fun and it's Saturday, like they're gonna be more likely to say yeah. Don't be so nervous. I don't know who they are, what their names are. It just probably never see them again. Doesn't matter. They got a cool picture. I got a free model. Win-win. Dude, those pictures are gonna be sick. Her eyes were insane. Hopefully I didn't put too much ISO. If I can bring up her eyes a little bit more after the fact. Oh yeah, dude. Oh my god. That turned out way better than it needed to. Oh fuck.